Okay guys, it is time for a new update here on the Bitcoin price, and I can already tell you I will keep this video as short and simple as possible because for me it's already late in the evening, but I need to bring you this information across here because not only have we seen some interesting price movements since my last video in the charts. No, we also have a few very interesting on-chain data that we want to take a look at to find out what is going to happen with Bitcoin next. I also just opened a new trade. I will tell you exactly what trade that is in a second, and we will also take a look at the DXY because since some time, guys, maybe you remember the DXY had two very important trend lines, one up trading support line that was broken a couple of weeks back to the downside. The DXY collapsed, tech stocks actually saw somewhat of a small recovery during that time as well, but Bitcoin stayed down. And I mean, now that the DXY is hitting very important support again, can bounce, and I'm very much expecting a small bounce here from that long-term support line. I mean, maybe it's not going to go to new highs or anything like that, but a short-term bounce is definitely to expected. And this would definitely push Bitcoin even lower, although Bitcoin didn't really recover in the time the DXY was dumping very hard. But let's not only talk about that, let's talk about the chart first here. And also, guys, as always, till Christmas, I'm giving away $500 worth of Bitcoin in every single video of mine. If you want to win these $500 worth of Bitcoin in today's video, the only thing you have to do is to leave a comment down below with your Bitcoin address. Then you can already win. Besides that, you don't need to do to win the giveaway. You don't need to do this to win the giveaway, but I always appreciated it if you smash up a like and subscribe and activate the bell so you don't miss out on any future uploads. But now let's talk about the charts, the on-chain datas, and the new trade I just opened. I'm going to show you that in a minute as well. Thank you for subscribing, liking, and so on. And the winner of the giveaway at the end of the video, we will get the winner from the last video for sure as well. This is, by the way, the winner from my German video that I just uploaded. But now let's jump into the charts first of all, because we are still getting rejected here from our daily horizontal support and resistance, which was built up within like 2 weeks of trading with the daily time frame almost at the exact same price levels. So on that scenario, we didn't break above that. Nothing is looking bullish there. On the smaller time frames, a lot of people are talking about this potential diamond pattern here. And yes, it is somewhat of a potential diamond pattern, not really a beautiful one, but still, I mean, we can wait here for the breakout. Right now, it's still expected that this diamond pattern probably will see a breakout within the next, not even 24 hours, a little bit less than 24 hours. We should expect the breakout out of this diamond pattern to occur. If we see a break to the upside, a bounce on support, and we break the low point, then it is possible that Bitcoin will retest the $17,500 to $18,000 levels again in the best case scenario. But right now, also looking at the on-chain data I'm going to show you in a second, it more looks like we are potentially breaking down here just because on the daily time frame, we are struggling with very important support and resistance. The DXY is right now coming in and about to test support. Yes, we have a little bit of space here left till the DXY really goes onto the support on the daily time frame. So as said, we could expect a small recovery out of this diamond pattern in the short term, even though the likelihood of us breaking down is already higher right now. But this is just because the DXY potentially has some little more downside in the next couple of days before bounces to be expected. The problem here is that there is still a lot of sell pressure coming in, not necessarily from our long-term holders, because our long-term holders, you can see people that are holding Bitcoin for over a year, haven't moved their coins for over a year. We are seeing a very dramatic increase here in the percentages for the blue 1 year plus holder zone, right? So a lot of people are stopping to move their coins. They are expecting that this is the bottom, and this also is represented by the 5 to 7 year long Bitcoin holders that are also more or less getting more and more inactive again with their coins, not being interested in selling or moving them at all here. The interesting thing is we are getting here somewhat of like a double bottom scenario, and we got this double bottom scenario here the last time as well before seeing a massively sharp incline in inactive Bitcoin for longer than 5 to 7 years at exactly the last moment before we saw a final massive sell-off down to $13,000. So right now, even though this number is increasing massively, yes, it's again a sign bottom might be in very, very soon, only a couple of weeks away in the best case. The only thing is that also the last time we saw a final sell-off. So this final sell-off especially in combination with the potential bounce on the DXY, the bearish looking time frame of the daily, weekly, and also monthly for Bitcoin still right now, and also the problem that miners are right now in a negative until the difficulty comes down, miners are leaving the network, miners actually have to sell all their Bitcoin or potentially even some storage of the last bull market to being able to stay afloat with the current electricity cost and the average cost to mine a single Bitcoin. So we need to be aware of that, and that's why I'm still being careful. I have my swing long positions open with a 3 to 4x leverage. I have my hodling portfolio. I'm not intending to sell any of that at these prices here. I mean, we may fall down to $14,000 in a final capitulation move, but I'm still not planning to sell here. The only thing that I did is I just opened a small short hedge position on Phemex. Yes, guys, the very cool thing is, by the way, if you want to support me, check out my exchanges in the video description down below. Here are my affiliate links. If you sign up with them, you get massive bonuses, reduced fees, you can take part in crypto more exclusive tournaments and giveaways and so on. So sign up with my affiliate links down below if you haven't. And also one quick thing, Phemex, for everybody that is signed up with my affiliate link already, they just added something amazing. That's why I also just opened this new trade here. They just added a while ago USDT margin contract. So now when you have USDT in your account, like I just had, you can actually transfer it over to your trading account, and then you have your USDT trading account here now on Phemex if you haven't seen that already, which is amazing. So you can finally trade with USDT here now on Phemex. So keep that in mind for everyone out there that wants to trade with one of my links or is already signed up. But now, guys, I hope you enjoyed the content. Don't forget to subscribe, activate the bell. As said, I'm going to leave the video here as short as possible just because it's so late in the evening for me already. I will now also choose the winner from our last video, the $500 worth of Bitcoin. As said, if you want to win, you only need to leave a comment down below. It's very, very simple with your Bitcoin address. This is all you have to do to win. Everything else, like leaving a thumbs up, subscribing, and activating the bell, this is completely upon you. You don't need to do that to win, but I'm just appreciating it. And here is something, yeah, this is just a weird spam comment, a scam comment actually. Sadly, these bots are not being able to be removed, but this is a real comment. Thank you so much, brother. My BTC address, perfect. You are here the lucky winner of today's video. I hope you enjoy your $500 worth of Bitcoin, and because we are so low in price right now, I hope that in the next bull run these $500 can potentially turn into multiple thousands. But now, guys, we are going to see us in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, activate the bell, leave a like, and yeah, we're going to see us in the next one. Till then, bye.